Hey guys, good morning. Tony here. Just wanted to make a really quick update on the S&P 500. Still not bullish on the S&P 500. The last video that I released, I basically said that I think the stock market bull run is going to start on Monday, tomorrow. That's not going to happen. I really needed that weekly, that bullish close to be on the bull side for the weekly. We did not actually close that way. So as of right now, I am still bearish on the S&P 500. I still think it's going to drop again. The last video that I released, I basically said that if this week on Friday closes a bullish week, then yes, I am 100% bullish. But we did not close it, so I am still bearish on the S&P 500. Unfortunately, I think we're actually going to drop a little bit further down, especially with what happened on Friday. But hopefully we do not. But yes, as of right now, still bearish. Quick update: until we close that weekly bullish on the S&P 500, I'm still going to be bearish neutral on the S&P 500. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.